In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, and let me show you how to activate dial pad tones on the following device, or obviously how to deactivate it. So at first just open your phone dialer and take a look. Now it is active, so you will be able to hear each digit. It's quite soft. Let me just volume up system sounds so you can hear it clearly. Now I believe that you can hear it properly. So it's on, and then whenever you would like to deactivate it, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach sounds and vibration. Here go a bit lower, select system sound, and unmark dialing keypad right here. And then if you will open keypad again, you will hear nothing, so it's muted. Obviously you can go back to those sounds the same way smoothly by tapping on the switcher. So that's it, this is it, this is how you can personalize it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.